In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable call reporting in Google Ads. This quick setup helps you measure the calls driven by your ads, so you can see which campaigns, ads, and keywords are actually getting people to pick up the phone. I'll guide you through the exact navigation and share a few helpful tips so you know what to expect. Once you're in your Google Ads account, look at the left-hand side of the screen. Find the admin section and click it to open your account level controls. From there, select Account Settings. This is where you manage settings that affect the entire account, not just a single campaign, so it's the right place for call reporting. Inside Account Settings, locate Call Reporting and click on it. You'll see a simple option to turn it on. Go ahead and switch it to On. When you do this, Google Ads can use call reporting to capture details like call start time, duration, and the area code, and it can tie those details back to your ads. This is especially helpful for understanding call quality and whether those calls are long enough to be considered valuable. Turning on call reporting doesn't change your ads or extensions by itself. It just enables the reporting layer so you can see more meaningful data. If you're using call assets or call-only ads, this setting helps you track performance more accurately. You can also use the call reporting data to support conversion tracking, which allows you to optimize your bidding and budgets around the calls that matter most. If you don't see the call reporting option, double-check that you have the right permissions or that your account interface is up to date, as availability can vary by region and account type. A quick note on what call reporting is and isn't. It does not record the content of your calls. It logs call metadata so you can evaluate performance. In many countries, Google may use a forwarding number to attribute calls to your ads. If forwarding numbers aren't supported in your country, the setting might not appear, or call reporting may be limited. Once you've turned the switch on, your settings are saved automatically. That's it. Your account is now set to collect call reporting data. Give it some time to populate as your ads serve and drive calls. And there you go. You've just enabled call reporting in Google Ads. That's all.